Hello everybody, welcome to this talk, and this is a life-changing talk. It has changed my life and it can change yours as well. But now, how about changing your life? Are you always waiting for the right time, the right moment, the right thing to happen? Well, ask yourself, maybe the right time is right now. Maybe you must stop asking when and say it is right now. Well, why did we decide to use this opportunity? We had financial difficulties and we tried to solve things, but we couldn't. So we tried several things. We needed a solution, but it didn't work. One Christmas we had the decision to make between buying school clothes for your children versus toys. We couldn't buy both. Imagine now buying school clothes for your children and they like 6 years old and 11 years old, terrible. But we were forced to make that choice and we had to buy school clothes. And the poor children, when they opened their Christmas gifts, they were even excited about the new school clothes. Imagine that. Just shows you how deep in trouble we were, that the children were excited about school clothes as gifts. But okay, we decided after trying several things, me selling cosmetics, makeup and stuff like that, and many other things tried, we got introduced to this opportunity. And first, for 2 years, we said no. With the complete wrong idea about this opportunity, we were not interested. For 2 years, we wasted your time because we didn't think it was the right time. But like I said, maybe tonight is the right time for you. Or today, whenever you're watching this video. Well, this changed our lives. And that's why I'd like to share it with you, because it can change yours as well. Now, the opportunity itself. Let me start off with this as well. If you have got an opportunity that can help you improve your finances, you know what? You can start dreaming again, thinking about things you can do and want to do, and not just have to worry about just getting by. And this opportunity makes that possible. But what about this opportunity? Some important facts. It started in the USA in 1958. Started long ago. Therefore, there's a long-term vision and record. It's not a fly-by-night thing. There's so many fly-by-night things coming up, and people are all excited, and a year or two later, they've lost their money, or the things backfires, or whatever. But this thing has proven itself. That gives security. It operates in 60+ countries all over the world. Also, it gives security. It tells you this is not a fly-by-night gimmick. It's the opportunity that changes lives. There are many benefits. One, you are your own boss. There are no bosses here. We all work together. And different to other things in the marketplace, we help each other. We don't step on each other to get to the top. We help each other get to the top. You can do this part-time or full-time, depending on your circumstances. So you don't have to quit your job. You can do this part-time. I'm doing it part-time. You get free training and support. And events like this recording, or also video Zoom we're doing, it's available there. Okay, for your use. You're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. You can save and make money. You can get holidays. Yes, we've got some, which we've won through this opportunity. There's an unlimited income. You determine how much you are worth. To give an idea, I own a private school. My teachers, I can't really pay them what they're worth. Why not? Because I must make some profit on their effort. Yeah, you can determine your income. The teachers in my school can never earn more than me, no matter how hard they try. But yeah, you can earn more and more. You determine your income. And you can earn foreign currency, euros, dollars, UK sterling, and all these different currencies. What work must you do? Because obviously that's a very important question, the work. You need about 5 to 10 hours per week if you do it part-time, and that can change your life. Just to quickly give an idea. When we got started, it took me about 3 years. And then we took more money home with this opportunity than with my teacher's salary. At that stage, I was a teacher at the government school for about 3 years, and we used 4 to 10 hours a week only. So it is done, not only by me, but many other people. You register in South Africa for about 950 rands. That's about the price, well, less than tank of petrol nowadays. Decent shoes will cost you more than that as well. So it's not even expensive to get started. I know in Ghana it's about 900 there's shilling as well. Okay? But what do? You use products at a 20 to 40% discount. So that means you save money. Now, I mean, that's hard work, eh? Buying stuff and saving money, that's very hard work. But you don't keep it for yourself. You share the opportunity with other people so they can also buy at discount. So you help other people. And what happens? You get between a 5 to 25% bonus per month on your turnover. In Africa, it's actually from 3 to 25%. So you can earn bonuses on total turnover. And we all talk to people. If you see specials, you tell people, this shop sells this at a special. And you tell people it's just natural. That's who we are. And the same thing here. You share the products and the business with people. So you just talk. It's a natural process. And if you sell products to people who do not want to register at a discount, I mean, why wouldn't they want to buy a discount? I don't know. But if you don't want to buy the discount, you can share the products and make a profit on that as well. But it also forms part of your total turnover, which means your bonus becomes bigger. Now, I still can't understand why people buy at full price if they can buy a discount. I don't understand that one. The products that we are talking about here are consumable products. There's healthcare. Depending on which country, between 60 and 85 to 90% of people in some countries buy healthcare products every month. Weight management. How many people are there want to lose weight? Home care. We all buy soap and stuff to clean the home. Skin and personal care, shampoo and conditioner, hand body lotion, skin creams, all these things. People buy these things regularly. Not like a motor car. I mean, you don't buy a motor car every month. But these you buy every month. So that helps to give you a continual turnover. Now what do you have to do? What is the actual thing you must do? Let's look at it. One, very tough one, you buy at a discount and save. You buy a discount and save. You cut to the wholesalers, advertisers, retailers, reps and shoplifters. All the things that cause the price to be more. You cut them out. That's where shop at a discount. This is the typical business pattern at the top. Got the factory at the one side, consumer at the other side, and you've got your wards in the middle. That's wholesalers, advertisers, retailers, transport and shoplifters, the wards. Okay? They're in between. And they push the price up. We say, cut out those people in the middle. Okay? Cut out. And you can buy for much cheaper. And quality as well, better quality. So, what do you have to do? Let's continue with that question. You show others how to buy the discount and save. So you help your friends, your family, and people you meet to buy the discount. I mean that's a bargain, eh? Helping other people. They're also not cut at the wholesalers, advertisers, retailers, reps, and shoplifters. Okay? What now? What do you have to do? Let's continue with that topic. Just like Amazon, you sell and distribute your products directly to people who do not want to register, and you deliver it to the front door. You do that in many countries. Okay? So, I'm going to summarize this in a few moments to explain to you how this works. Right. How much can you earn? Obviously, you don't start something and there's not much you can earn in here. But this one, I'm going to give some ideas. If you have, for example, 10 customers, remember we don't focus on customers, but let's say you've got 10 customers. You can earn, let's say, 2,000 Rand per month. If you have 50 customers, you can earn more than 10,000 per month. Now, the principle applies in any currency. Just the exact amount will be slightly different. But the principle is the same. The more people you serve, the bigger your turnover, the more money you'll make. How do you make more money? build your promoted team and earn more than 10,000 per month, because you earn on your team's total turnover as well, not just your own effort. And that's where the real money comes in. You'll see in a few moments. Like I said, you can earn much, much more than 10,000 Rand per month. How do you earn? Number one, you save money because you buy at a discount. Your team members use products. This increases your total turnover. Because they buy products at a discount, your turnover is not bigger. You earn a bonus on the total turnover of your team. Your team members also sell to their customers, so this increases your total turnover even more. So you earn a bonus on your total turnover. But that's not all. You earn a profit of about 20-25% if you sell to a customer.
Yo. Oh, you good? How are you? Oh. Nice to see you.
You earn on your own turnover, and that also of your team. So in other words, this is what's so important. For anything to be valid and good, there must be something that creates a profit so that you can earn something from the profit. Otherwise, it's a scam, a scheme, and that's definitely not what we're doing here. Okay? You want something like this. And this is good. This tells you this thing works. And like I said, it started in 1958. That's security for you as well. Let me give you an example of how you earn money. Let's give an example. If you personally use, for example, 5,000 Rand worth of products in a month. Now you can use any currency here as an example. You would have saved, give and take, 700 Rand. Okay? On things that you would have bought in shops in any case. So you start saving. Secondly, if your team has a turnover, others, you spoke to people who also know registers and are promoters. They do just what you do, exactly what you do. Now, if they have got a total turnover 60,000 Rand, they also will now save, okay? But now, you earn a bonus of, let's say, about 10% on that. Now, if you sell 5,000 Rand to customers, you earn a profit of 900 Rand for selling. So take note what I'm showing you here. Number one, you save money on your own purchases. You earn a bonus of about 10% up to 25% depending on your business system. And you earn a profit on your customers. But you also earn a turnover bonus on that as well. Let me show you. Your total turnover, this example, is 70,000 Rand. You will earn a turnover bonus of even more than 6,000 Rand. Okay, I'm just giving you an example. Now imagine now, if your team does double that turnover, what's going to happen to your bonus? And it doesn't stop there. Total income in this case is the 900 Rand, which you get, okay, from your profit because you sold to some customers, plus a 6,000 Rand of bonus you've earned on total turnover. And any business will tell you, like I said, I own a private school. I make money on my teacher's effort. Same principle in here. You earn something on the effort of the people in your team. But I want to emphasize here, people that start 5, 10, 20, 30 years after you, if they work smarter than you and harder than you, they can make more money than you, which is fair. I like that one. Basic plan. 1, use products and save money. 2, get education and support. 3, share the business and earn bonuses. Now these steps are your focus. Okay, this is where your business starts growing. Because you've got only 24 hours in a day and you can't work 24 hours non-stop. So you have to earn something other people's effort as well. Otherwise you'll go crazy. 4, share products and earn a profit. But like I said, you can also earn bonus on that as well. Call to action. Come and join us. For better health, improved finances, for travel, yes, we've done some traveling because of this opportunity. Self-development, yes, I've learned a lot through this. For family and community, the question, are you ready to change your life? Or are you still going to sit there and wait, when is the right time? when is the right time. Before you know, it's 5 years later, you're still asking when is the right time. Don't waste time, don't procrastinate. Now is the time to change your life. Why must other people benefit? Why can't you benefit? Why must I benefit, for example? Why can't you benefit? Now, I'm going to show you some more information here, but let's look at the video first.
My name is Mapita Ramafikeng. I was working as a high school teacher. What I really didn't like about my job was that I was working hard, but I could not be able to pay school fees for my 2 sons. So the 4th month after joining, I've got the solution, because I managed to pay school fees for my sons, the other one in the country and the other one abroad, who is now a medical doctor. I'm driving my 2 dream cars, Mercedes-Benz and the Dodge Journey. Life had changed dramatically, and my husband, remember, was working in the mines. We have achieved beyond our understanding. So what I really like is the system support from the company and the uplines. So I'm practicing that with my team. My life is so bright, my future is exciting. Thank you.
Okay, as you can see there, that's just another person with a testimony, as with lots of testimonies of people. Now here, just a bit of fun, Dr. Scrooge. Those who don't know, Dr. Scrooge is a very stingy person, and that's my photo, by the way, there. But let me show you some money-saving tips, because through this opportunity, you can also save money. Let me show you. Replace toxic cleaning products in your home, save money, and promote better health. Every year, thousands of young children end up in hospital because they drink toxic cleaning products in their homes. Here, got powerful cleaning products, non-toxic, just one of the ranges, and it saves you money. Let me show you. Here's an example. Okay, by going green, protect your health. Well, these 5 products bought in the supermarket here locally in South Africa, for many purposes in the home. You can see there's an all-purpose cleaner, there's a floor cleaner, there's an oven cleaner, there's a window cleaner, there's a pre-wash for stain removal. Now those 5 bottles will cost you in South Africa more than 200 Rand, like 224 Rand plus. And that's only 3.75 liters of cleaning product. That comes to about 60 Rand a liter. That's a lot of money for a cleaning product. 60 Rand a liter. Now here's a surprise. This one I've got here, which is a concentrated one, gives you 22 bottles that are 500 mils a bottle. So in other words, 22 half-liter bottles full of cleaning product. Look how powerful it cleans. Look at that paving, the before and after of using this product. Very good for ovens, for baths, for toilets, for floors, motor car engines, etc. So many things it can do in the house. Okay? It replaces the all-purpose cleaner, the window cleaner, the pre-wash, the floor cleaner, the toilet cleaner, the oven cleaner, which did cost 224 Rand in the shops, and surprise, surprise, equivalent strength, you pay only 116 Rand, actually a bit less, for the same volume of cleaning product, same strength as well. You can see that's about more than 100 Rand, almost half price, eh? Almost half price, by buying a concentrated cleaner and then diluting it to the required strength. That's less than 29 Rand per liter for equivalent strength cleaners. That's a bargain. So why pay more in the shops? I mean, why? It doesn't make sense to buy toxic stuff that's more expensive if you can buy powerful cleaning products that are cheaper and non-toxic. Let me show another example. Here are 3 products. There's a body wash, dishwashing liquid, and a dog shampoo. If you buy this in the shops here, it costs like 234 Rand for 1.65 liters if you take those 3. That's about 142 Rand a liter. That's crazy. Why pay more? Look here. This product, this liquid soap, concentrated, you will get 17 of those small bottles of 350 ml. 17 bottles like that from 1 liter. Okay? It replaces sunlit liquid, the dog shampoo, and the body wash. For how much? For less than 89 rand. For the same type of thing. Except it's non-toxic and it's green, bioavailable, biodegradable, all the good stuff we want. So, less than 54 rand per liter. That's a big saving, massive saving. And the prices I've given you so far are retail prices. Imagine now if you're registered as a promoter and you get this at 20% cheaper. I mean, that's a no-brainer to me. So if you add everything together, 5.65 liters will cost you almost 500 rand. Okay? Your non-toxic products, only 205 rand. You save 290 rand. That is a massive, massive saving. What about the disinfectant? This one. Dettol is more than 100 rand a liter in South Africa. More than 100 rand a liter. This one is tested as the African Bureau of Standards. It's certified. And it costs less than 28 rand a liter after dilution to hospital strength disinfectant. And you can dilute it another 5 times. Okay, so it's actually much, much cheaper than the other disinfectants you buy in the shops. And it's also non-toxic and safe in the home. Here's a challenge. Go make your own comparison. And go see for yourself that you save money when you use these non-toxic cleaning products. I'm challenging you. Go check yourself. You'll be amazed how much money you're wasting by buying the stuff in the shops. Let me show you a supplement example very quickly. Calmac supplements. Just a quick story. Many years back, I found 4 companies selling calcium supplements. I asked them how much of the calcium, what percentage of the calcium in the supplements actually gets absorbed by the body. They couldn't tell me. Well, I actually knew their products was less than 10%. Less than 10%. Okay, but they didn't even know that. The one company told me they didn't test their products on humans, otherwise it would be too expensive. Okay, most of these cheap supplements contain calcium carbonate or dolomite. Right, absorption, like I said, less than 10%. Now, if a pill has 100 milligrams of calcium, you get less than 10 milligrams of calcium from a pill. Now, that is not good. Because if that pill costs 1 rand or whatever your currency is, you pay 1 rand for less than 10 milligrams of calcium. That's not a good deal. You're wasting your money. The brand that we use has an absorption rate of 84%. And there's more than 8 times more potent. Each tablet has 100 milligrams calcium. You get 84 milligrams calcium per tablet for about 3 rand. Now, take note. You need about 10 of the cheaper brand to get to one of these. So that means you pay 10 rand to get about the same amount of calcium than for a tablet that costs only 3 rand. Now, which one is now cheap? You know, it doesn't make sense. People do not know what they're buying. They go for price and they don't know what they're buying. And many of these cheap calcium pills can actually lead to other health issues like kidney stones. Now, this means you have to pay about 8 rand to get the same amount, 8 to 10 rand the same amount of calcium. So which one is cheaper? Contact the person that showed you this video. Ask, how can I buy these products at the discount? How can I help other people? And how can I make money from this opportunity as well? Contact the person invited to this meeting or send to the Zoom. Okay. Because really, people, now is the time. Don't wait any longer. Get involved for your own sake and the sake of your family. Get involved, save money, and make money. I would like to see you here next time.